Life without science would be drastically different from the world we know, totally unrecognizable. Scientific research has brought forward many modern technologies and conveniences we take for granted and has helped us understand the natural world from the smallest particles of matter to the vastness of space. This Maiden International Conference brought scientists and researchers to celebrate the power of science in transforming societies and shaping the future. Various speakers, both within and outside the show, centered their presentations on the theme of the conference: modern scientific approaches to sustainable economic development for future generations. They showcased the pivotal significance of science by using locally developed technologies to address national challenges.
The world is going global, digital. We have to also follow the world. But while we are following the world, we must also look at our local challenges. So we have to be thinking home. Once we are working home, we also have to think global too. But the most important thing is trying to use our local knowledge, technology, to address our local problems before thinking global.
My focus here is to look at how we can use renewable energy to address this major problem, this high, serious, major problem of energy. Moving from that answer to reality is what I am now going to briefly discuss here.
We are talking now about renewable energy. How can we get energy even from the waste or things we do not need any longer to make our environment friendly? So instead of trying to bastardize the environment, today we are taught ways, things we can do to make our environment friendly.
We are looking at a situation where we can bring out an ideas that is from local and take it up to a global world, ideas that can change our environment, an idea that is sustainable.
There is hope with the key presenters that there's a pathway to greatness. There's a pathway to change the narrative of just only the methodology simulation to the practical things that we are seeing what the world is looking at today as a service-oriented world.
Scientists come together like this to talk about the experiences that they have had in their research work. So we will then be talking about building a better environment for all.
This conference is apt. So how I just saying that you come out with solutions as being suggested.
The Vice Chancellor, Dennis Osadebay University, Asaba, represented by the Deputy Vice Chancellor, Academics, Professor Robert Dude, also made contributions.
I will look forward to robust academic feasting here today, where both staff, students, and conferees would not only benefit, but come up with answers to societal problems, answers to societal questions that will lead to not just development, but sustainable development.
Award of Excellence was bestowed on some distinguished personalities, among whom is the Vice Chancellor, Dennis Osadebay University, Professor Ben Orojafor. This conference is essential for students in the Faculty of Science to find solutions to problems, expand their knowledge, and advance their understanding of their academic pursuits. From Dennis Osadebay University, I'm Chinyere Okoli, NTA News.